In this video, you will see how to bold page number in Word document. It's very easy. To bold a page number in Word document, go to the Insert tab. Then under the header, you will see the option of Edit Header. Click on it to edit the header. Alternatively, you can also double click on the header to activate the header area. Now to select the page number, what you need to do is on your Windows, press and hold the Control key and press A to select the page number. On Mac, it is Command plus A. So after selecting the page number, go to the Home tab and then click on the bold option. You can also use the keyboard shortcut Control B to bold the page number. Now you can also increase or decrease the font size of the page number as well. Once done, double click inside the document. Note that the page number appears faded. It is just the Microsoft Word setting to differentiate header and the main text body. However, when you print the page, you will get the bold page number. Click on that like button, comment below and let me know if this video solved your problem. And don't forget to check out these useful videos related to page numbering in Microsoft Word. See you again in the next one.